Hello mga ka-explorer! This is your ultimate Ella girl, Ella the Explorer. So for today's video guys, samahan ako, gagawa tayo ng matcha latte. So we had a matcha powder. So ayun, matcha powder, we need only milk, cow's milk and oat milk. So the first thing first, I just want to say good morning everyone. Sa lahat ng mga charity flowers natin dyan, good morning sa inyo lahat. So, we don't have further ado, we will do it right now. Okay? Come on guys, sama niyo ako. Okay, just go there. Mahirap pag wala kami naman. So like that, just make it a little bit high. Oops, ganun. Ito ba? Ito ba? Hindi. So, okay. So, this is the matcha powder. I'm gonna use this one, guys. So, we're gonna use this very small thing here. Ayan. I will put 2 of half. So, hindi, ano to siya, yung tulang na ganito, na-happy ko lang siya. Yung normal lang, guys. Ayan. Here. Ayan. And then, oops, I'm gonna put some honey. Mga 1 teaspoon lang din siya guys. So, I know how to, mata-mata lang siya. So, isang ganito lang din siya. Or kung you are not comfortable, gusto mo talaga siya i-measure, pwede mo din naman gawin na i-measure mo dito. Of course, this is our milk. This is a 80 ml. 80 ml. So, it's like 1 ounce is 30. Like 2 ounce, ganun. 2.5 ounce. So, ayan. Lagay na natin siya. Ito. So, this is it. Ayan. Let's put the milk. Just cover. Ayan. So, yun lang. Naka-process na siya. But it's on process. Let's get some. Kailangan natin ng ice. So, these are ice cubes. Ang lalaki niya. So we've got 3. And now it's finished. So ganito yung pinalabasan yung isa. Ayan. So this is our cup. Our latte. Kinabahan ako kung ang glass ba o ang latte. So ayan. As you can see. See that? So we still have a little bit left. So I put the little bit milk on here, but we're gonna use it as a second later. So this is our matcha. Ayan. Diba? Let's have a taste. Pampata ng straw. Wala ba straw dito na malaki? Come on. So here we go. Just mix it. Laki ah. Ayan. Let's have a try. Sarap. Diba? Easy lang. Meron ka ng matcha latte. See that, guys? So easy. Huwag ka na pahirapan yung mga buhay-buhay natin. Diba? So I still have a little bit there. So ilalagay ko siya dito mamaya pag natapos na to. See? Easy! Bakit mo pa pinapahirapan yung sarili mo kung pwede lang naman gagawa, diba? Bibili ka sa labas ng matcha latte, ang mahal. Gawa ka naman dito. Bili ka lang ng, fruiter, and then, syempre, pag may fresh milk, tapos, nakakabili naman kahit saan makakabili ng matcha powder, and then, fresh milk, kahit saan na supermarket, meron naman tayo na bibili. Full fat milk, and then, of course, oat milk. Ako kasi talaga, gusto ko sana oat milk, but because, may nakalabas na na cow's milk. So, I do the cow's milk, yung full fat milk. All done. See? Let's put a little bit of ice on it. Again. Charis lang. Ayan. Tapos, lagyan pa yun ng oatmeal kasi meron pa yan. So, ganito, ito talaga yung masarap sa oatmeal, tapos, yan. Malinis na naman ito. Let's put some more ice. Ang daming ice. Oh! Wow! Look at that ice. Here are thing. Takot yan. Hindi naman. Tapos kasi yung nauunang. Ayan. Oops. Ayun. O, diba? ganda. So, ito na yung oatmeal. So, what I did, I do the cow's milk and I do the oatmeal. Kasi actually, mas masarap siya talaga kapag oat milk yung gagamitin. But of course, kung hindi rin kaya naman na budget or you're not doing like a healthy lifestyle, okay na rin yung cow's milk, no? So, here's our cow's milk. Here's our oat milk matcha. So, masarap to. Sarap. So, I do the same. I do the latte, cow's milk. Kung paano ko ginawa yung cow's milk, ganun din nilagay ko sa oat milk. So, nilagay ko rin yung cow's milk doon. And then, ito na. Sarap niya. So, ayun, pwede ka na mag-business ng matcha latte if you want kapag meron kang frother, milk frother, matcha powder, and then of course ice. Ice cubes kung ang ano mo talaga magawa ng ice cubes. Masarap siya kasi hindi siya nakakaumay. Para sa akin na pag oat milk, hindi siya nakakaumay. The taste is really in there sa matcha. Ganun. It's same. Pero yung malapit sa Starbucks na lasa is cow's milk. Cow's milk talaga yung malapit sa Starbucks na lasa. But, if you want a healthy lifestyle, then I prefer, and then gusto mo yung ganito, ice lang, I prefer oat milk. Kasi dito sa bahay may oat milk. So, we use it oat milk. So, ayun. So, sana po ay inyong nagustuhan ang ating video na ito. Walang kakwenta-kwenta. Charis lang. Meron naman. Diba? Tinuruan ko kayo gumawa ng matcha. Diba? So, ayan. So, yun lamang. Sana inyo nagustuhan and try to do it in your house, guys. As in talaga, masarap siya. Kung wala din kayo ng ganyan, pwede naman yung bottle lang, diba? Bottle, tapos ilagay nyo yung matcha, tapos yung milk. And then, lagyan nyo ng honey kasi ako dito, pero kung may sugar kayo, pwede nyo nilagyan ng sugar. Then, shake it. Shake until 5 minutes hanggang magka-fruiter na ganito. And then, that's it. Pwede na yun siya. You can have a matcha latte. Same as what I did. So, ayun. So, kung inyo po nagustuhan ang video na ito, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Ella G. Your ultimate Ella girl, Ella the Explorer. Bye guys. God bless everyone and keep safe po.